and give you a rundown of it. RCA's for the sub, monoblock amp. RCA's for the 2 or 4 channel as well. Then I have your front left speaker, front right speaker on the other side, those 4-inch speakers. That's what those are for. Butterfly nuts for quick access if I need to change something, remove something. Power, ground remote, same thing, butterfly nuts as well. Then I put in a access panel, just so I wouldn't have to fight space, getting things in and out and wiring everything up. This original outline here is I had a power supply out of an old PC computer. Ran it for a while, but then I needed more power, so I had to upgrade to the 12-volt system off a car battery. So inside is basically set up just like it would be in a car. Got your yellow 12-volt constant coming from the head unit. Comes back up into the power. Power runs to the battery, fused right here. The ground from the head unit runs to ground here. It also runs to the battery. You have your red from the head unit, which is right here, runs to my toggle switch. Comes in through the top, comes out through the bottom, runs to power, which runs to the battery. So until I hit the switch, the deck won't see power. That's how I have that tied in. And I have my remote coming from the head unit, coming to remote here. Got it extended down in case I need to T-tap it in and run 2 different amps. And then just a standard wire connection there. Got this on there because I have a Rockford Fosgate that has this style connector. You push on and it won't take that. And then just your standard speaker wires, your front, rear, your left, right there, your green, white, gray, and purple, I believe. Right now I have those tied into the front tweeters and also into the 4-inch speakers. Because those are tying in here, coming to here, and then they loop back around and go right back in and tie in to the head unit. So I'm running deck power on all these speakers right now. And then just a standard 12-volt battery. AGM is what I'm running now. Battery charger. Standard automotive battery charger, what that is. Just got your 2 amp and your 10 amp. However you want to do it. Depending on what I'm testing, is what I make that change for. But that's it, and it's fused. We got 4 gauge coming from the battery, goes into the amp. We've got a 6 gauge ground, and I've got a 4 gauge ground here as well. All taped off. That's it. That's my setup testing station. Standard head unit, 4-inch speakers, and the tweeters, toggle switch. This had a speaker in it, and it was pretty old, and ended up getting rid of it. So now I just use this as an access for quick connecting, disconnecting wires and stuff like that. That's all that is. But that's it. That's the rundown of my testing station. Nothing major, but it gets the job done.